Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding for the last 20 years, your nationwide commercial and residential lender. Today we're talking about land contracts. What is a land contract? And it's important to understand what a contract for deed is, because a lot of times people will enter into a land contract and not understand what the laws are, what it requires, the benefits, the rules, how to get out of a land contract, the stipulations, some of the stuff you have to be careful of when you're doing a land contract. And so I want to talk about this because a lot of times people will enter into a contract for deed or a land contract, and sometimes they get stuck or they don't know what they're going into. So I wanted to talk about, if you enter into a land contract, what you have to look out for, what you have to be careful of, because it's not a mortgage, an institutional mortgage that actually reports on your credit. So, and a lot of times people enter into a land contract when they can't obtain conventional financing. So there's nothing wrong with a land contract, but you have to make sure of a few things. The first thing is make sure that you're recorded and put on title. So you're protected. You're put on the title to the property. Make sure that the payments, when you make the payments, that you have canceled checks. Do not pay in cash. Have it auto drafted from your checking account. Okay, make sure that it's done through a title company or an attorney, and you have somebody representing your side. All right, and make sure if you make an agreement to have some of the funds of the payments going towards the down payment for the future loan, make sure you have that documented and written in the contract. These are very, very important things, because the land contract usually has a balloon loan on it that's going to term, and when it goes to term and you have to try to refinance to a bank, if you don't have these four components set aside, it could affect you to get approved for the loan. If you're paying in cash, your new lender may not want to refinance you out of the land contract. So remember, guys, what is a land contract? A land contract is owner financing. You go find a piece of property, you're going to go purchase that property. For whatever reason, you don't qualify for a bank loan, so you do a land contract. It means I want to purchase that property and have the seller do owner financing to me directly. You have to be recorded on title, number one, to show that it's your property, or you're not going to be able to get a loan in the future. So make sure you're recorded on title. Do not pay in cash. Only pay by check or ACH. Okay. Make sure that you have a contract that's prepared by an attorney. Do not do anything on your own with the seller. These are very, very important things. So you have to protect your side and the seller side. Okay. There's nothing wrong with owner financing or a land contract, but you have to be intelligent about it so you don't get screwed, you don't get ripped off. And remember, usually land contracts have a balloon. A balloon could be for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or whatever, but you don't want to get stuck. You want to be able to refinance to a bank. You have to have all these components in place in order to qualify for that bank financing. We help a lot of our customers get out of land contracts and pay off the sellers and get permanent institutional loans. So if you need to get out of a land contract and you need permanent financing, call Angelo. You can call us at 832-431-6331. Or you can click on the link down below to get signed up. Now with land contracts, you can refinance with FHA, you can refinance with VA, you can refinance with conventional, you can refinance with jumbo. You can do any of these with land contracts. Just make sure that you're recorded on title. Ideally, you want to be on title for at least 12 months. This is an important thing. But as long as you're on land contract for at least 12 months, you should be protected. You should be able to get refinanced out. So if you need help, give Angelo Christian a call to get refinanced out of your land contract. Call us at 832-431-6331. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian, and check out my next video. Thank you.